What's the meaning of commoner? Commoner. Commoner.
Commoner. Commoner. The term commoner refers to an individual who is not aristocratic or part of the nobility, typically someone from the general population. Commoners may be associated with regular jobs or occupations and have a relatively low social status compared to members of royalty or nobility. In some societies, commoners may not have the same legal or political rights as those belonging to higher social classes. The concept of a commoner has existed for centuries and is still relevant in many parts of the world today as a way of distinguishing between social classes.